Say you're trying to get item frames in Minecraft, but you want them to be invisible and you want them to be like hung up on your walls. You want cool little items floating on your walls. Unfortunately, for people that think you can attain such a thing in survival in a regular Minecraft, that is impossible. To achieve an invisible item frame, you would have to use commands. You'd have to be in a world that has commands turned on, and you'd have to have cheats enabled. Unfortunately, that is the only way, and the command I'll show you here, I'll post it in the comments later as well. As you can see right there, I'll get an item frame, and when I place it, it's invisible. And then I can just grab any item I want, like a redstone torch, and I can place it right there. You'll see that it is completely invisible, just like so. And when I break it, the item frame's gone now. There you go. So this item frame is invisible. Regular item frames would not be. If I just look up item frame, just like so, you'll see that it is not invisible. What makes this possible is the command that I just showed you, or this one right here. So you the entity data item, the ID's item frame, and then you set it to invisible right there. So the command makes the item frame invisible right there. So as you can see, the invisible item frame is only attainable in creative, or well, I'd like to say with cheats turned on. Whereas regular item frames, yeah, sure, you can attain them in survival. This is normal. There's a crafting recipe for that and everything. But unfortunately, for invisible item frames, that will only be found in cheated worlds. Even though it is a cool little addition, you can't really have that in regular Minecraft. So I hope this video has been informative to anybody that's trying to get invisible item frames, and I will leave the command for this in the comments so that you guys can copy that and have your own little invisible item frames. But if you guys have any other questions, any comments you want to leave me, I'll be happy to get back to you, and I will catch you guys a different time.